Does solar system have only 6 planets, not 8? The existential magnetic field remains constant inside of an object. Our solar system also has a constant existential magnetic field, but still, due to the cumulative existential field of all planets, star, moons, comets, and others are zero at some points, it means all existential magnetic field lines are coinciding, actually not coinciding, and magnitude at that point is zero. Those points are known as pit holes. The point where the cumulative existential magnetic field is maxed is where the star of that solar system lies. These points can be one or more. That's why many solar systems have 2 or more stars. There are 19 pit holes, 9 between Saturn and Uranus, 7 between Uranus and Neptune, 3 between Neptune and Pluto. I mean between the orbital path orbit. Pit holes also move in their orbit and keep changing their location. So planet lies in pit holes belt are Uranus and Neptune. What is the impact of pit holes on the solar system? The planets that lie inside the belt have no impact of any kind on other planets and stars, which means if there is any change on those planets, then that will have no impact on other planets of that solar system. If Uranus and Neptune get destroyed, it will also not have any impact on any planet of the solar system. As Uranus and Neptune have no impact on other planets and star, that's why these planets should not be considered as planets of the solar system. Every solar system and even galaxies has pit holes. These pit holes have no color, and we can't see that as we can't see existential magnetic field through our eyes, it can be only seen through the 4th dimension. These pit holes are so powerful that if any object by chance comes in his way, then it can change its direction completely in reverse. These pit holes are just a dot whose size is even less than an mm. The first pit hole is at 2,400 to 2,500 mkm from Sun, and the last pit hole is at 5,000 to 5,050 mkm from Sun. Other impacts of pit holes on solar system. You have seen the abnormal orbital path of planets in respect to other planets of that solar system. Here Pluto and Eris have an abnormal orbital path as they are outside of the outermost orbit of pit hole, while Uranus and Neptune have a normal orbital path as they are under the outermost orbit of pit hole. Among Uranus and Neptune, Uranus has a completely normal orbit while Neptune has slightly abnormal orbit due to the number of pit holes around them. If Pluto and Eris are under pit hole's orbital path, then they will definitely have a normal or slightly normal orbit. The pit hole concept is different for comets as they perform an orbital path until they fall on a planet or star. Otherwise, they always follow an abnormal path if they come under a pit hole's orbit. Outside pit hole's orbit, they follow a normal orbital path like a planet's orbit. This concept is tricky to understand. It is because of the relative existential magnetic field of comet with respect to the solar system. I have already talked about it in detail with my bot. I don't know when he will publish it.